1. Prevent acne before it starts. Here are some small daily life hacks you can use to prevent pimples before they happen. Change out your pillowcase every 4 or 5 days. A fresh bacteria-free pillowcase can stop your skin from erupting overnight. 8. Keep your hands off your face. If you tend to rest your chin in your palm or you're constantly fussing with your face, stop. The oils on your hands can cause breakouts, even in small amounts. 9. Tie your hair back while you sleep. If you have long hair, keep it off your face while you rest. Braid it back and use pins or a headband to keep bangs off your forehead. 10. Get your beauty rest. Stress can lead to breakouts, so make sure you're well rested and calm. 11. Change your birth control, females. Some oral contraceptives containing estrogen can calm down regular breakouts. Ask your doctor if this is the right choice for you. 12. Mahindra Thar, sponsored by Mahindra Thar. The Mahindra Thar starts at superscript 19.80 lakh, loaded with comfort, technology and safety features in a timeless silhouette that can tame any terrain. 2. Do not pick or pop pimples. Doing so can make the infection worse and lead to permanent scarring. 13. 3. See a dermatologist. If you can't get the problem under control by yourself, visit a doctor. He or she can prescribe serious treatments such as Accutane, Retin A or red blue light treatments. 4. Consider a salicylic acid face wash. Some anti-acne face cleansers contain salicylic acid, which kills the bacteria that can cause acne. 14. To prevent drying out your face, start using a salicylic acid wash only in the mornings and see if that's sufficient. If you still need more help, use it at night as well. 5. Use spot treatments. There are several products that you can dab onto active zits to reduce redness and kill bacteria. 2 of the most popular are salicylic acid gel and benzoyl peroxide cream. For extra help, try using both formulations. Be aware that benzoyl peroxide can bleach hair and clothing. 6. Try a clay mask. Clay absorbs excess oil, removes impurities, and even kills bacteria and blemishes for clearer, more even skin. Once a week, after showering, dab your skin dry and apply a clay mask. Leave it in for 10 minutes or until it begins to dry. Rinse off and apply a moisturizer. Do not allow the clay to harden completely or leave it on overnight. It can overdry the skin. Please like, share and subscribe to Everyday Infotainment. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment.